pilgrimage to the house and fasting in Ramadan. Bukhari and Muslim. Salah is the first thing we are accounted for. On the day of resurrection, it is Salat, Abu Dawood, Tirmidhi and Nasai. Allah Ta'ala has said in the Holy Quran, إِنَّ أَوَّلَ مَا يُحَاسَبُ بِهِ الْعَبْدُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ مِنْ عَمَلِهِ صَلَاتُهُ in the tafsir. That which is silent will be called to account. On the day of resurrection, it is Salat, Abu Dawood and Nasai. Salat is the obligatory Muslim prayers. God orders Muslims to pray at 5 set times of day. Salah is to be performed during 5 set times during each day and night. Allah Ta'ala has said in the Holy Quran, وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرَىٰ لِلذَّاكِرِينَ. Meaning, perform the prayers at the borders of the day and during the approaches